Hey everyone! For this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text and ask for help in ChatGPT Canvas right over here. So it's one of the fastest and most direct ways to get real-time edits, suggestions, or explanations without switching tabs or opening a new chat. So for further guide, just go down to the comment section and you'll find a link. All right, let's get started right now. As you can see, let's say I've asked ChatGPT to write a full essay on one of my favorite movies and themes on class. All right, so here it's already written something, but then you're not sure it makes sense, or maybe it just sounds off, or you might need more explanation, that is. This is where we could use one of these quicker methods just for further explanation or something. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to highlight one of the sections or paragraphs like this, or you can just click this one right here, this icon with the speech bubble with a plus sign. There we go. And as you can see, it has the ChatGPT prompt input box right here. You can insert your own prompt as a way to ask clarifications or further details or something. So for this, there we go. Let's say I needed more psychologically on this main character. So I need to know from ChatGPT how to explain what this means for someone like me. All right, you can either click this or press the Enter key right here, and then hit send. Okay, just focus on this part right here, and within seconds, there you go. ChatGPT will break it down for you on the full context with this section right here. And yep, there it is. Easy peasy, quick and easy. There we go. It's like having on-demand explainer built into your draft right here, or a further guide right next to the canvas right here. See, it's very easy. This one has helped with this one just to have you understand more. And yep, there we go. Now here is another way we could ask ChatGPT for help. Well, differently that is. The first one is asking for explanation and such. This one, it is based more so on the draft itself, helping to edit. Now, here's what I can do. Once again, you could either highlight or just click this one if you prefer the whole section itself. There we go. So let's say your paragraph is technically fine, but it's a little clunkier, that is. Well, it depends if you see this as clunky, but it's for example. Let's say it's wordy, or maybe you just want it to sound sharper. So here it is, highlighted right here, the section. Now I clicked for this one to activate this option, and you could type something to ask to ChatGPT right here. Here's my prompt. There we go. I would ask, can you rewrite this paragraph to be more concise and put in more details? Here we go. Just either click send or press the enter key. Okay. Just right here. So you can see here, ChatGPT is editing. Okay. That did not matter. Okay. Here we go. All right, here it is. As you can see, right over here. There we go. Your original writing has been transformed, much cleaner, more detailed, and more polished. That still keeps your meaning intact and even add a little bit more finesse and more context to it. There we go. Here's what you'll see, the difference once I click this one to see how it changed. There we go. So yeah, this is quite helpful for like resumes, emails, or papers where tone and clarity matter. Just highlight, ask, and refine. So yeah, that's how easy it is to highlight the text and get help inside ChatGPT Canvas. Whether you need clarity or more explanation for you to learn or rewrite, you're just one click away from better writing. Now, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button. That will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. See you next time, everybody. Bye.